This episode of J Baylock Tutorials is brought to you by Music Nations Network. Hi, my name is Jeff Baylock, and I'm here to teach you how to improve your comedy, and we're starting right now.
You ready? Let's go.
Hi, welcome back to J Baylock Tutorials. Today I want to give y'all some minor tips on how to improve your comedy, some tips that help me. It's going to be in series format, but I'm going to give you the first one right here, right now. One thing that I stress about when it comes to comedy is my opening joke. It's very important, and I stress this entirely because whatever it is, your opening joke, your opening phrase, your opening gesture, whatever it is, it's very, very important. It will make you and or break you. And basically this opener jokes gives the crowd a sense of who you are, what they're going to be expecting, what it is about yourself, and also more importantly, if they're going to pay attention to you or not. Because if a crowd gets to the point where they're talking amongst each other and they're not paying you any attention, your set is going to suck no matter how funny you are. You got to grasp their attention. One technique that I like to use is called calling the room. Now what calling the room is basically whatever is happening in the space around you in that particular vicinity. So it could be things like a waitress falling on her face, high bar prices when they got drink specials, something the host did, something a comic did, or just something that you experienced today. One opener that I usually did was one day it was a host and he got up there, Caucasian guy, real cool guy, and he was rapping, sounded pretty good. The name of his song was the N-word, and throughout the song he didn't say the N-word at all. And I'm waiting for all the comics to talk about it, but no comic said it. And I was like, I bet I'm gonna open with it. So I got up there and I was like, yo, how many of y'all thought this dude was gonna say the N-word? Make some noise. Everybody's laughing, big laughs, everybody's clapping. They're like, ha ha ha. He started laughing himself. And I looked at him because it was a decent amount of black people in this comedy setting. So I said, you know we was gonna jump you if you would have said the N-word, right? Just putting it out there, you know. Keep rapping, keep practicing. Big laughs right there. Or you could do an opening joke in the form of a question. Like one of my favorite opener is, make some noise if your gas bill is high this month because you've been farting all month. And it kind of catches them off guard. They be like, oh, this dude goofy, he's stupid, I can't believe he said that. Make sure your opener joke is solid, to the point, and also introduce who you are. If I leave anything out, or if you're actually a comic and you want to stress upon what I say and just give more information, just make sure y'all hit that comment section. Comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And tune in next time for another tip in the art of stand-up comedy. I'm Jeff Baylock here with J Baylock Tutorials signing off. Y'all make sure y'all get those laughs. Be easy, be well, and have a good day. Your opener joke can make you or break you. Use it wisely, my friends. Thank you.